Let's divide 42 by 2. Hey math adventurers, don't forget to look, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome math fun on Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 42 by 2. We look at the first digit of 42, which is 4. We'll use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into? 4, it fits 2 times. Let's check, 2 times 2 is 4, write that down. Now we subtract, 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder here. Great job, you're doing awesome. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 2. We're on to the next step. We have a 2 to work with. We already used the 4, so now we look at the next digit, which is 2. Our new number is 2. How many times does 2 fit into? 2, it fits exactly 1 time. Let's check, 1 times 2 is 2, perfect. Subtract, 2 minus 2 equals 0. Another 0 remainder. You're crushing it, almost there. We've used all the digits, so we're all done. The answer is 21. So 42 divided by 2 equals 21. Great job, everyone. We learned how to divide 2 digit numbers today. Remember, long division is like a puzzle and you solved it. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. See you next time on Let's Stud.